big congratulations to all you beautiful contestants on being your state queens already. I was so excited to meet you all, and while you aspire for the VLCC Femina Miss India crown, we here at VLCC are here to ensure the crown of your hair looks amazing at all times. I am Monica Suntha. I'm National Technical Head for VLCC Institute. At VLCC, we believe in skilling people to ensure not only do they attain their career dreams, but also, to look their very best. Because to be the professionals in the industry, it starts from yourself. The wellness starts from within. So Imran would be definitely guiding you on. So I will take you guys to Imran. Imran, if you are there, we would want you to start with the amazing masterclass that we've been waiting for.
Thank you so much, Monica. I'm Imran Ansari. I'm a hair and makeup technical trainer in VLCC. So we are doing a beach wave. It's very in, it's very stylish, it is very glamorous. If you're doing a pony at that time, beach wave is very cool. If you want to open your hair at that time, beach waves look very nice. And beach wave carries in all the dresses and all. So first we can take a complete profile section from top to the bottom, and then starting from the nape, take a thick section. If you are using a fine section, it is never ever converted to a wave. It is converted into a complete curl look. Using a medium tong, use vertically. Don't go for horizontal, right? You don't use like this way. You can use like a vertical. Open the barrel, hold it and twist. Don't turn the edge. Edge pokey होना चाहिए, वो राउंड नहीं होना चाहिए. जब हम वेव करते हैं तो उस टाइम पे इस साइड का वेव का डायरेक्शन इस साइड आना चाहिए, इस साइड की वेव का डायरेक्शन इस साइड आना चाहिए. जब हम इस साइड मतलब आपका राइट साइड पे करते हैं तो हमारा टॉन्ग वर्टिकल ऐसे चलेगा, जो उसका टिप होगा वो डाउन में जाता है. जब हम लेफ्ट साइड पे करेंगे तो इसका टिप अप आ जाएगा. Folded the hair in the tong only for maximum 5 to 7 seconds. Otherwise it will be turn on curl. Roots के पास ले जाके tong को turn नहीं करना. Near about 3 to 4 inches के बाद turn आना चाहिए.
I would love to thank both of you, Monica ma'am and Imran sir, for giving such an amazing session and teaching us new hairstyle and hearing my problems and solving each and everything. It was a great session and I'm surely gonna take each and every treatment because I think it is very helpful to me. So I would love to thank you so much. It was really wonderful session.